All right, guys, this is lesson 4.11, last one in the chapter. Multiply across zeros. Our first example will be 6 times 108. And as you can see in the tens place, we have a 0. We're going to use the area model to solve this. Decompose 108. That's 100 plus 0 plus 8. Put your other factor, which is a 6, on the other side of the rectangle. And you multiply the hundreds place, you got 600. When you multiply the tens place, you got a 0. And the ones place, 6 times 8, 48. Line up your numbers. And add. There's your ones place, tens place, hundreds place. See, it doesn't seem like anything too new. Just got to be careful when you have a 0 in your number. All right, now I'm going to solve it with the distributive property. We're going to distribute the factor 6, that's the single digit, times 100 plus 6 times the tens place and 6 times the ones place. And you got 600 plus 0 plus 48. I would say that it's optional to throw in that 0 when you're adding. So you've got 600, and you could just add 48 to that because this has no value. There's nothing in the tens place. Add your ones place, tens, hundreds. And that was example number 1. You're going to be working with bigger numbers also. So let's move on to example number 2. We've got 3 times 2025. Again, with the area model, we're going to decompose 2025. We've got 2000 plus 0 plus 20 plus 5. Your other factor is 3. Don't need a lot of space for your ones. A bigger space for your tens. Really don't need much space for that. And here we go. Basic fact, 3 times 2, that's 6, and you have 3 zeros. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 20 is 60. 3 times 5, 15. Line up your numbers. I'm going to leave the 0 out. I'm going to add 60, and I'm going to add 15. So I don't need to add the digit that was multiplied in the hundreds place because it was a 0. In the ones place, you have a 5. Tens place is 7. Hundreds place is a 0. And 6 in the thousands place. Okay. Instead of doing the distributive property here, I'm going to also do partial products as a reminder of how to do partial products. So we have 2,025 times 3, and you're going to multiply the ones place. That's 3 times 5. The tens place, the 2 is worth 20. So 3 times 20. The hundreds place, we've got 3 times 0. And the thousands place. And we get 15. You line up your digits. Then we have 60. In the hundreds place, the product is 0. And in the thousands place, you get 6,000. I'm going to put my 3 zeros first so that I line up my numbers correctly. You have a 5 in the ones place. 7, 0, 6. All right, good. We got the same answer and we solved it 2 different ways. So today we worked with the distributive property, partial products, and the one that we've mastered, the area model. This looks really big.